Our kidneys are tirelessly at work day and night, filtering waste materials from the body, regulating blood pressure, producing essential hormones, and maintaining our overall well-being. However, certain detrimental habits can silently wreak havoc on our kidneys. In today's episode, let's explore 15 everyday habits that have the potential to harm your kidneys. Number 1. Overusing painkillers. Many individuals have fallen into the habit of overusing painkillers as a quick solution. However, these seemingly innocuous pills can actually be more harmful than beneficial. Certain non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and analgesics, commonly used for pain relief, pose a serious threat to our kidneys as they attempt to detoxify our bodies. Number 2. Excessive salt intake. An excess of salt in one's diet can be detrimental to kidney health. Consuming too much salt leads to water and salt retention in the body, resulting in elevated blood pressure levels. High blood pressure can severely damage the kidneys and cause salt and water accumulation under the skin, leading to swelling in hands, legs, and feet. Number 3. Dehydration. Kidneys rely heavily on an adequate water supply to function properly and maintain overall health. Dehydration can trigger prerenal azotemia, a condition that can lead to acute kidney inflammation, potentially resulting in kidney failure or chronic kidney disease. Number 4. Adequate sleep. Sufficient sleep isn't just essential for overall health, it also plays a significant role in maintaining kidney health. The sleep-wake cycle regulates kidney function by coordinating their workload. Disruption in this cycle due to insufficient sleep can lead to stress hormone spikes, contributing to kidney inflammation. Number 5. Excessive sugar consumption. Sugar not only contributes to obesity but also increases the risk of high blood pressure and type 2 diabetes, known contributors to kidney disease. Sugar isn't limited to desserts, as it's present in many high-carb foods and energy drinks. Number 6. Alcohol consumption. Regular heavy alcohol consumption, especially more than 4 drinks a day, can double the risk of chronic kidney disease. Smoking combined with heavy drinking further escalates this risk. Number 7. Processed foods. Regular consumption of processed foods high in sodium, phosphorus, unhealthy fats, and carbs can negatively impact kidneys. The sodium and phosphorus content is particularly problematic for kidney disease sufferers, while unhealthy fats can lead to overall inflammation, including in the kidneys. Number 8. Excessive meat consumption. High levels of animal protein in meat can generate excess acid in the bloodstream, leading to acidosis and kidney damage. A balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables is essential to counteract this effect. Number 9. Prolonged sitting. Extended periods of inactivity and sitting are associated with an increased risk of kidney disease. Physical activity improves blood pressure and glucose metabolism, both vital for maintaining kidney health. Number 10. Smoking cigarettes. Smoking harms kidney health through poor circulation, oxidative stress, and stiffened blood vessels. It's also a recognized risk factor for kidney cancer. Number 11. Illegal drug use. Substances like cocaine, heroin, and ecstasy pose risks to kidney health. Cocaine can narrow blood vessels, leading to hypertension, a major cause of kidney damage. Heroin use can result in kidney failure, particularly when mixed with other toxic substances. Number 12. Excessive exercise. While exercise is crucial, excessive and strenuous exercise can cause rhabdomyolysis. This condition releases proteins into the bloodstream that can accumulate in the kidneys, potentially causing kidney damage or failure. Number 13. Soda consumption. Sodas and energy drinks, high in sugar and phosphoric acid, increase the risk of kidney stones and impaired kidney function. Opting for calorie-free sparkling water can satisfy carbonation cravings without harming kidney health. Number 14. Caffeine intake. Excessive caffeine places additional strain on kidneys, acting as a diuretic and potentially causing dehydration. High caffeine intake is also linked to elevated stress and blood pressure levels, increasing kidney damage risk. Number 15. Holding urine. Continuously holding urine weakens the bladder's capacity, leading to inflammation, increased urination frequency, and potential kidney damage. Responding promptly to the urge to urinate is crucial for maintaining kidney and urinary system health. Thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.